With your sunglasses, you do get a hard case. This guy opens up, has a nice velvety interior. These are a shield style pair of sunglasses. It has crystal embellishments and light gold hardware. The camera doesn't necessarily pick up how reflective and shiny these crystals are, but in person they are definitely much more impressive. Now, if we flip these guys over on their side, you'll notice that the temples are completely made out of metal. A nice detail is if you look at the temple tips, they actually feature the Medusa head. Now, the lens looks like it could be a dark gray or even a black, but it's actually a non-polarized dark blue lens, which is pretty rare. Alright, so let's dive into the measurements. Now, they don't actually give you the shield's length, but a rough estimate from temple to temple is 5.7-ish inches, and the temples measure out to about 140 millimeters long. And this is what the sunglasses look like